Hey, welcome to this tutorial on how to create a residual block in TensorFlow. A residual block is a building block of a deep neural network that helps to avoid the vanishing gradient problem. Let me show you how it works. First, we define a function called residual_block that takes three parameters: an input tensor, the number of filters, and the kernel size. These are the basic settings for our convolutional layers. Then, we apply some operations to the input tensor to create a new tensor called x. We use convolution, batch normalization, and real-U activation to extract some features from the input. Next, we apply another set of operations to x to create another tensor called residual. We use convolution and batch normalization again, but this time we don't use any activation function. Now, here comes the interesting part. We add the residual tensor to the input tensor using the tf.keras.layers.add function. This way, we preserve some information from the input and avoid losing it during the convolution. Finally, we apply real-U activation to the output of the addition to make it nonlinear. And that's it. We have created a residual block. This is a simple version of a residual block. In reality, you would use many of these blocks to create a deep neural network with many layers. You would also need to add some other components like pooling layers and fully connected layers to complete your network. This example is just a starting point for you to learn more about residual networks. You can experiment with different settings and architectures to see how they affect your performance. You should also be aware of some other factors that are important for training deep neural networks, such as data pre-processing, loss functions, and optimization algorithms. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials on TensorFlow and deep learning. Thanks for watching and see you next time.